Color is a stimuli, a very strong one at that. Every color generates an emotion, a faint one, a strong one, an overwhelming one. It forms and colors opinions, changes moods, conveys an inner state of mind to the outside world, creates desire, comforts, alerts. A million reactions possible, to say the least. But it's all about just the right notch of hues, tints, shades and tones. Welcome to Poddar Pigments 3.0. We are a premium solution provider and manufacturer of color and additive polymers, commonly called masterbatches. We are the market leaders in producing masterbatches for the textiles and fabric segment.
We were the first company in India to actually bring fiber masterbatch to this space, right? And that was as far as in 1994. That's almost close to 30 years, right? That automatically leads us to being the first mover in this business. So the other core strength is innovation, our R&D, and the principal philosophy that always invest in the best.
After our introduction of the masterbatch technology, also called dope dyeing process, to the Indian market, instead of coloring the textile or the garment in water-based dyes, the technology allowed adding masterbatches to the raw material granules of thermoplastics like nylon before they are melted together to produce colored yarn itself. This brought down the need for water up to 90%, saved environment and water pollution to a high degree, and gave a clean and healthy work environment to the workers. It fundamentally changed the way garments and textiles were designed and produced, and also allowed for a higher color fastness and consistency in color. Over the years, we have grown in capacity, with the present being 18,000 metric tons per annum. We offer over 60,000 colors, with customized colors being added to the portfolio almost every day. We have over 600 clients in 30 regions across the world, including India, and we can serve every part of the globe. With over 550 people working with us, we achieved a revenue of approximately $50 million under the guidance of our founder, Mr. S.S. Poddar, Mr. Gaurav Goenka as Joint Managing Director, and complemented by a highly competent and experienced Board of Directors. We are an ISO 9001 certified company. Poddar Pigments has just entered its third stage of growth, and we are calling it the Poddar Pigments 3.0. A brand new facility near Delhi in India has started operations, which has been designed and built for the future growth of the company. The size of the facility, the supporting utilities and infrastructure at this facility can handle a capacity of over 45,000 tons per annum and is already in place. The production expansion to this capacity is possible in a very short time. All the value-adding stations are designed for a seamless and quality production, and the facility has a high level of operation integration. Production takes place at our new and fully automated German machinery-equipped plant, ensuring high quality and speedy production. Even smaller batch sizes are possible in our production design and enable a very short turnaround time for serving the innovation needs and time to market for our consumers across the globe. The process flow is designed for high efficiency operation, and material movement is optimized by automation to a large extent. It helps in maintaining the quality of our products when shipped across the globe.
We've definitely got the best in the state-of-the-art machinery. Most of our machinery is German or from the Western world. But I think it's what our people have done with it that truly sets us apart.
In keeping in line with our sustainability standards, this facility uses a closed-loop water system, which filters and reuses the same amount of water. Solar power is used to the maximum possible. for innovations in applications, and for maintaining the Poddar quality standards during the running of batches. We have multiple labs and R&D centers spread across both the plants. They are equipped with crucial testing machines. Some of these are spectrophotometer, filter index tester, and weatherometer. Our research is exceptionally strong and gets back to the customer quickly and accurately. Even for such a wide range of products our master batches are used in. We also house many pilot plants which help us understand and gauge the performance and issues which our customers would face. This preemptive approach for testing the subsequent products being made has kept our leadership intact for decades. Besides colorants, we can affect change in certain properties of the materials being produced, like their UV protection, water absorption, coefficient of friction. We can also insert some desirable characteristics like anti-static, anti-scratch, anti-blocking, fire retardant, and antimicrobial in fabrics and products. We believe that we have the largest team of veterans and experts from the Indian and international textile industry to chart out the best possible specifications for a new product or a client requirement. We offer master batches for a large range of thermoplastics, including nylon, polyester and polypropylene, which are used to make products which are so embedded in our daily life, like clothes, textiles, woven and non-woven fabrics, and various plastic components like industrial, medical, and household utilities. We are well acknowledged as a pioneer and innovator for complex product applications. On crucial quality parameters like filter pressure value, color difference, and color strength, we surpass the minimum limits specified by international standards by high margins. We already supply to the Americas and European countries and have some very reputed brands as our customers in the apparel supply chain.
It's quality all around. That is what differentiates us. It's quality in people, it's quality in your sourcing, it's quality in your production. It's a complete package, quality in thinking, quality in innovation, right? In our business, the most important thing is not to supply the product right once. It's to give the right product every time, time on time, repeatedly, consistency, right? And because that customer has already gone and set the product to your benchmarks. After that, you have no room to change that. In about 5 years, our aim actually is to ensure that more than close to 40% of our business comes from export.
The group's strategic and tactical choices are guided by our founder, Mr. Poddar's core belief that a business should take a holistic and a long-term view on all facets which the business impacts, engages, and seeks from, including the customer, the end user, the society, and the environment. This also means that as a business, we should have a sense of gratitude towards all of them when taking business decisions. It has very often served as a beacon in our industry too, and we are recognized as being the gold standard in adhering to ethical practices, rather in setting the standards. We at Poddar Pigments are determined to keep enhancing the Poddar advantage continuously.